I'm going to show you how you can get better FPS in FiveM. First off, you want to go to the search bar down here, and then you want to type on run. Just type on run like this. If you don't see it, type on run. On here, you want to type in app data like this, enter, and then once you type enter, go to local. Now on local, find FiveM, the folder here, right? So find FiveM, here it is, FiveM, double click it. Now there's going to be a couple things we're going to be doing. First off, go to the FiveM exe here, right click, and then go to show more options, and then go to properties. On properties, go to compatibility. On compatibility, make sure this is on, disable full screen optimization, and then change high TBI settings. Tap on this to override the high TBS scaling behavior. Tap on OK, tap on apply, tap on OK. Once that's done, go to FiveM application data. We're going to clear the cache. On the application data here, you want to go to data. On data, you can see cache and server cache. Delete both of these. Delete like this. And then just like that, we have deleted it, right? The next thing we're going to do is that we're going to go to the graphic settings. Go to the search bar down here. Go to graphic like this. Graphic, right? Graphic. Go to graphic settings like this. Now on graphic settings, go to search this list. You want to find a list called FiveM. If it's not available here, you want to tap on browse and make sure it's on the desktop app. Tap on browse right here, right? Now on the browse right here is a easy way. You can just go back to the folder earlier, go to FiveM, copy the file path here, tap on copy, go back to the here and then copy it here like this, FiveM. Now go to FiveM exe here, tap on add. Now, once it's there, you can see FiveM. Now on here, go to options. Now on option, make it high performance to use your actual GPU. Tap on save, and then that's it. Now we're gonna do the next thing. Next, we're gonna alter the gaming settings. Now from the settings here, just tap on gaming. Now on gaming, go to game bar. On game bar, turn this off, and then go back to gaming, go to game mode, turn this off as well. Now, the final thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the search bar. You want to type on run yet again. And then instead of app data, you want to type in msconfig like this. msconfig, turn that on. Now, once you press on enter, you can see this is what it will look like here, right? msconfig. Now, on here, you can go to services. And on the services you don't use, you want to turn that off. But don't turn off anything here, right? So be careful with what you turn off. For example, Teams, don't turn that off. Any important one you don't want to turn off. You want to turn off the unnecessary one. For example, there's going to be like Xbox Live Game Save. You can turn that off if you'd like. There's other things as well. If you have a VPN on, usually it comes off here as well. You can turn that off. So this is to make your PC get freed up of any unnecessary services. You can see which is running and which is stopped on this status bar right here.